Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody watching is having a great day. Today we're back with another episode of 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. This is where I give you a quick review of a shoe that I picked up in under 1 minute. I'll put a link to my last episode up on the screen right here if you want to go and check it out. Make sure you also check out my Instagram if you want to see any of my shoe posts before anybody else does. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Alright, let's go. Today we're taking a look at the Nike SB Dunk Low Polaroid. The shoe was originally released on April 12th, 2022 at a retail price of $120. The Nike SB Dunk Low Polaroid draws inspiration from the color spectrum found in the Polaroid's logo and the casing of its instant film. Atop a black Durabuck upper, a triple layered swish creates a rainbow effect by overlapping blue and red patent leather swishes, with a yellow transparent swish at the heel. White patent leather nods to the composition of the Polaroid's instant film. From there, color spectrum embroidery on the toe and co-branding embroidery on the heel complete the design. Since this is a Nike SB instead of a normal Dunk Low, it does actually carry some resale value. Most sizes are going for around $150 to $175, and odd sizes are breaking the $200 range. I do like the design and concept behind the shoe, especially since skateboarding and filming go hand in hand. This is a pretty cool concept that Nike put together. Well, this has been 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for all of your support and have a great day.